I'm here at the sanctuary of Medjugorje. It's May 26th, the day of the Assumption of Our Lady. It's a feast day here in Medjugorje. And I take you on a little walking tour here on the sanctuary. It's around between 10 and 11 in the morning. The sun is out, it's getting warmer and warmer. Good to be in the shadow. You see, people are resting in the shadow because it's warm. We make a little tour through the risen Christ. Put my bike here. There we go, there you have the risen Christ. Here you have the Stations of the Rosary on this side. It's all around the risen Christ. And then we go further on. See, there are a lot of groups here. The season has started and Medjugorje is picking up again. There are groups from every country: Spain, Italy, Germany, Austria, Ireland, Ukraine, Poland. All over the place to meet people here at the moment. Let's go further on. And here you have beautiful Stations of the Rosary all the way through here. People are in the shadow because it's very hot already here. It's unbearable to sit in the sun, so the groups are going under the trees. Very smart that there are these trees and that they planted the trees here. So you can't sit. Here is Our Lady. It's not beautiful to see. So I see groups from all over the world are here. You have a group from Lebanon. They speak in Arabic. Over there you have the St. John Paul II Hall. There are the international masses. For example, when there's a feast day and the creation masses are in the church, the masses are transferred, the international masses in the morning are transferred to the St. John Paul II Hall. It's the Yellow Hall, they call it also. Here you got again Our Lady and the back altar of St. James Church. St. James Church here. Here is the adoration chapel. From 2 to 5 you can do adoration, personal adoration, private adoration here. So you have kind people. Then we go on the left here, you have the information center. The bookshop, Franciscan bookshop and information center. You have pathways to the church, to the main street, sorry, from the church, from here, from the compound, from the sanctuary. There's information center. And if you, this is the bookshop, the Franciscan bookshop, and if you want to do masses for you departed, you can go to the parish of Medjugorje. By the way, very powerful to do parishes for your departed. You help them a lot by doing that. And here we are at St. James Church, the front side. And we go down here. You can get fresh water for free in summer, very good quality the water. And in the back you have Our Lady over there. And I leave you with this beautiful view on Our Lady. Turning around, and here is St. James Church. Have a good day wherever you are. Subscribe to the channel, share the video if you liked it, and give a like. You helped with that evangelization to the ministry of showing the beauty of Medjugorje. Thank you for that. Have a good day. I pray for you, pray for me, and God bless you all from Medjugorje.